Hey Crazy Crew, today is Sunday, and y'all know what that means. We have some brand new smoking hot deals this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Now, just in case you missed it, I did upload the new clearance markdowns and penny list video for you all earlier today. Make sure that you go and check it out. It will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And let's go ahead and get into it because we've got a lot to talk about. Up first, we have a $2 DG cashback offer on the Body Armor IV drinks, normally $2.50. So after the cashback, that's going to make your final price 50 cents. We also have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs on sale this week, 3 for $16. We have a 2 off 3 manufacturer coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $14 for 3, or you can combine both of these deals together. Pick up 3 of the 12 packs and 1 of the Body Armors. Use that 2 off 3 manufacturer plus this buy one get one free DG store coupon. That's going to leave you paying $14 for 4, but then you're getting back $2 in DG cash, making your final price $12 for all 4 products. But if you like Coca-Cola products, this is your week at DG. We also have the 6 packs on sale, buy 2, get 1 free, and the 20 ounces on sale, buy 2, get 1 free. Next up, we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6 packs. They're on sale, 3 for $13. And then we have the Brisk Crush Starry Mug Root Beer and Ginger Ale 12 packs. These are on sale, 3 for $12. Next up, we have the big cans of Folgers coffees. These are on sale, 2 for $14. We have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $12.50 for 2. And then we have this BOGO deal. Pick up one of the Maxwell House coffees. These start out at $11.75 and get the International Coffee Creamers for free. Next, we have the Lipton Tea 6 packs. These are on sale, buy 2, get 1 free. Pick up a total of 3. Use your 3 off 10 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $12 for 3. We also have the 64-ounce Lipton Teas. These are still on sale, 2 for $4. So if you want to pick up 6 after the sale and the coupon, you're going to pay $9. Next up, we have 2 freebies with the C4 energy drinks. We have this DG cashback offer for $2.50 back with a limit of 3, so that's going to make 2 of them completely free. Next up, we have a 75-cent off 1 digital coupon on the Shamrock Farms milks. These start out at $1.75, so that's going to leave you paying $1. You can also pick up the Fisher Boy fish sticks or shrimp this week for $3 after the coupon. And then we also have the Tostino's pizzas on sale this week, 3 for $6, making those $2 each. Up next, we have the Kellogg's cereals on sale, 4 for $8, which is a fantastic deal, but we also have a 1 off 2 digital coupon on the Kellogg's cereals. Now, this coupon is only working on select cereals that are included in the sale, so please be careful. You can definitely mix and match however you would like. Just make sure if you want to use this coupon, at least 2 boxes attached to the 1 off 2 coupon. Now, here's another route that you could take with this sale. We have a 50-cent cashback offer on the Special K cereals. These are included in the sale, 4 for $8. So pick up a total of 4 boxes after the cashback. That's going to make your final price $2 for 4 boxes, making those 50 cents each. We also have the Captain Crunch and Life cereals on sale this week, 2 for $6 with a 2 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $4 for 2. We have the Ritz family-sized crackers. These are on sale, 2 for $9 with a 3 off 9 DG store coupon. That's going to leave you paying $6 for 2 boxes. We also have these M&M minis. These are on sale this week, 3 for $9 with a 2 off 9 DG store coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $7 for 3. And boy, oh boy, did we rack up on the DG store coupons this week or what? We have a 5 off 25 on our pet food products. We have a spend 25, get back 5 on the Tampax and Always. And then we also have a new P&G spend coupon. So y'all let me know which P&G spend coupon you received on your account. And I also wanted to point out we have this awesome buy one get one free DG store coupon on our Tide laundry products. But keep in mind this is a DG store coupon, so it will not stack and work with that P&G spend coupon. So you might want to do this deal all by itself or save it for Saturday to pair up with your 5 off 25. Definitely check your accounts really well because we do have some exclusive coupons. If you have these 2 exclusive manufacturer coupons right here, that's going to leave you paying $16.85 for both items. But be aware, if you pick up the Tide Power Pods that are priced at $9.95 as your free item for that coupon, we also have a 2 off 1 DG store coupon that's also attaching. and it will not pick up both DG Store coupons. It will choose one or the other. So definitely take a minute and think about what you want to do before you go clipping all of your coupons to your account. Now, if you receive this exclusive manufacturer coupon on the Tide Power Pods, it also works on the 9 count priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. Or you can pick up the large Tide Power Pods priced at $15.95. We have a 4 off 1 DG Store coupon plus that $2.05 off 1 manufacturer, and that's going to leave you paying $9.90. Now, we also have some really good deals on Gain products this week. We have a buy one, get one half off digital coupon for this Saturday, so we'll talk about that one later. The Gain Tango Scent Bead deal is back again, leaving you paying just $2. Here we have our Gain Happy or Relax Flings at $9.95. We have a 2 off 1 DG Store coupon plus a $2.05 off 1 manufacturer. That's going to leave you paying $5.90. Or you can pair that 2 off 1 DG Store coupon up with the Gain Scent Bead exclusive coupon or the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent or the regular Gain Flings. We have a $1.05 off 1 manufacturer on those. And unfortunately, these do vary from account to account, so not everyone will receive the same coupons. But definitely double check your accounts really well. Now, next up, we're going to talk about our Purex and Snuggle products. A lot of these are on sale this week for $3.75. We have a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $2.50. But then we also received a $1.50 cashback offer on the Purex liquid laundry detergents. These are priced at $4, so that's going to make your final price $2.50. We also have a $1 DG cashback offer on our Snuggle dryer sheets. These are priced at $3.75, so that's going to make your final price $2.75. And we also received a $1 cashback offer on our Purex crystals, making your final price $2.75. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer Power Packs 14 count. These are priced at $4.25, so that's going to leave you paying $2.25. And then we also received this 2 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergents. These start out at $3.60 right now, so that's going to leave you paying just $1.60. Fantastic deal. All right, up next, we have select cleaning supplies on sale this week. Buy 2, get 1 free. If you want to pick up the large bottles of Palmolive dish soap, these are priced at $3.95. We have a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6.65 for all 3. Here we have a 3 off 2 DG Store coupon on our Garnier products, so that's going to leave you paying $4 for 2. We also have a 3 off 2 for our Dial body wash, so that's going to leave you paying $4.30 for 2. We also received a high value 8 off 2 digital coupon on our L'Oreal Paris hair color products. Picking up the Root Rescue priced at $7 each, that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2. Next up, we have our Vitafusion gummies on sale. With the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have the Neutrogena face wash for $3 after the coupon. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Imodium. This is glitching and working on the 4 fluid ounce bottles, so that's going to leave you paying $4.65. Here we have the 20 count Motrins for $3.65 after the coupon, and then we also have our Tylenol for $2.75 after the coupon. And OMG, what a run deal! We have a high value 5 off 1 for our Icy Hot products. These start out at $5.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 35 cents. The Kleenex Glitch is back again with those $1 boxes. We have a 1 off 3 digital coupon that's going to leave you paying $2 for 3 boxes, and we have a high value 3 off 1 for our Aspercream. This coupon is glitching and working on the Arthritis Hot, priced at $4, so that's going to leave you paying $1. All right, next up, our CoverGirl deal is back again. These are on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off, plus we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon on the face products and a 3 off 1 on the eye products. So pick up both. After everything's all said and done, you're going to pay $3.22 for both items. And we're going to go ahead and close out the video with our free Airwick warmer, which I understand has been a pretty hot topic in the couponing streets here lately. But anyway, that's going to be it for me for now. We have a lot to look forward to this week. Let me know what is your favorite deal down in the comment section below. And of course, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon.